In 1905, women were considered minors. They didn't have the right to vote or run for office. Single women and widows could own properties, but when women were married, they had to yield their rights to their husbands. For most politicians, journalists, and religious figures, a woman's place was in the house, taking care of the family. Towards the end of the 19th century, many organizations were created to fight for increased women's rights, including the right to vote. For example, the English speakers founded the Montreal Council for Women and the Montreal Suffrage Association. In 1907, Marie Guérin-Lejoie and Caroline Bicrite founded the Fédération Nationale Saint-Jean-Baptiste that advocated for more women's rights like access to post-secondary education and the right to vote. Thérèse Casgrain was also an active advocate for women's rights. For 14 years, she presided over the League for the Rights of Women and tried to convince the church to change their views on the right for women to vote. In 1916, women in Manitoba were the first Canadian women to obtain the right to vote in provincial elections. All Canadian women also received the right to vote in federal elections in 1918. However, women living in Quebec needed to wait until 1940 to obtain the right to vote in provincial elections.